Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel CoinGalaxy. In today's video, I am going to review another amazing crypto project. So let's start our video. Our today's project name is angrybirdinu.com. As you can see their link, I will give the link in the description of video, so you can click there to come to this website. So let's talk about this website. Basically, this is the Angry Bird game platform where you can come to slingshot, aim and shoot to destroy the green pig kingdom and get back to the precious eggs. You can also transform into the bird warriors, protect and collect eggs to develop and the egg kingdom. So you can also click here to play the game. So when you click here, you'll be redirected to this platform. Here you can play the different levels. So these are the different levels of the Angry Bird Inu. Also you can shop some diamonds from here, and also you can get the bags, and this is the notification section of your game section. This is the mission, rankings, menu and the settings. You can explore many more. For example, if I click here, so this game will be opened and you can play this game. So let's go back to the website. So you can see here, these are the NFT section of this game. Here this is the Maltida, which cost 519, and this is the Terrence, which is the energy level of the 323, and this is the another Chuck. So this you can also check this energy level 41. So this is the highest energy level, this is the second most, and this is the third most. In this way you can also see they embark on the epic avian adventure in the Angry Bird Inu, where the winged warriors unite against the convincing green pigs. This physics-based mobile sensation which catapults you into the whimsical world teeming with the challenging puzzles and the explosive feathered foray. You can also take command of the array of the irate birds, each boasting with the unique abilities as you strategize and target those Miss Swine. So this is the roadmap of this Angry Bird Inu. This you can see, this is the first phase which is focused on the conceptualization and the design, and it will started in the February and will end in the April of 2024. It has the three main features. First is focused on establishing the game VN. Second is focused on the designing characters and the items, and the third is focused on the integration of the blockchain elements like NFTs and the Airbird token. And the second phase is focused on the core development, which start from the May to the July 2024, and it has the start coding core gameplay and integrate NFT functionalities, conduct internal alpha testing to refine the game. Whereas the third protocol focus on the optimization and the beta testing, which will start from the August to the October 2024, and it focus on the optimizing based on the alpha feedback and launch on the public beta to gather the broader feedback, and third to make the final adjustment. Similarly, you can check out the fourth feature, which is the launch preparation and the post-launch developments. So you can check out these features as well. Let's talk about their tokenomics. So you can see they have the total supply and the tax-free burn. You can see they have the 3% tax-free burn and the 3% sell. So about their tokenomics, they are divided into the burn, which is allocated 30%, pre-sale which have allocated 15%, liquidity which have allocated 10%, ecosystem which have allocated 35%, marketing and the airdrop allocated 5%. Similarly, team also allocated 5%. In this way you can also check out them on the BSC scan. If you click here, you can redirect into this BSC scan website. Here you can see about their contract address and the token creator as well. And also let's go back to the website. Here they have also a disclaimer that this is not a financial advice, so you can invest up to upon your own thinkings. And if you see, there are the three more links. This is the video about the Angry Bird Inu. You can play it. I am not gonna play due to the copyrights, so you can close it as well. And about these two links, this first is the audited link by the Solid Proof, and the second is the white paper. So let's open both of them one by one. In this way you can see both of them. First of all, let me show you the white paper of this Angry Bird Inu. This is the introduction of the Angry Bird. You can read all the details by yourself. The VN of the Angry Bird Inu, let me tell you once again, VN is to pioneer the new era gaming and the blockchain technology seamlessly merged to create the dynamics and the immersive experience. And the VN to world where the gamers are not just players but also active participants in the digital economy, where their skills and the achievement translate to the tangible assets and the rewards. And also you can focus on the integration of the gaming and the blockchain, and you can further explore all these areas. So finally, the roadmap of this platform, and this is the tokenomics. In this way, lastly, if you want to contact them, you can also contact hello@angrybirdinu.com. so in this way you can get in touch with them. And this is a solid proof of this website's Angry Bird Inu. So you can also check out this. Last audit was done on the 14th of the March 2024, and also you can check out their contract address, static analysis, dynamic analysis, symbolic analysis, and the SWC check. And this is the game which already I have showed you. And about their social channel, this is their Twitter channel. You can check out their followers and the latest posts. Similarly, these are their Telegram channels, and this channel has 4,544 members, and lastly this has the 4,548 subscribers. So this was all about the Angry Bird Inu. I hope you have liked this project. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.